Draw segment AC and segment BC. Therefore, segment AC is equal to radius, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. What is the measure of angle CAB and why? Now, line AB is tangent to the circle at point A. By tangent theorem, line AB perpendicular to radius AC किंवा CA, radius SC, and therefore angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. ओके, अशा पद्धतीने पहिल्या प्रश्नाचा व्हायचा उत्तर आपण आधी दिलेला आहे. ठीक आहे. आणि हा जो अँगल आहे याचा मेजर किती आहे 90 डिग्री. हा 90 डिग्री झाला. त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड क्वेश्चन दिलेला आहे, व्हॉट इज द डिस्टन्स ऑफ पॉईंट सी फ्रॉम द लाईन ए बी. ओके, सो डिस्टन्स ऑफ पॉईंट सी तर आपण इथे लिहिलेच आहे, तरी आपण परत इथे लिहू. ओके, लेंथ ए बी और लेंथ ए सी which is equal to radius which is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the distance of point center C from line AB. Third, distance AB is equal to 6 given आणि हाय डिस्टन्स 6 आपण लिहिलेच आहे. फाइंड BC. तर आपल्याला त्यासाठी इन ट्रायंगल ABC angle A is 90 degree and therefore by Pythagoras theorem इथे लिहा लागेल BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square which is equal to BC square is equal to 6 square plus 6 square, so that is equal to 36 plus 36, it is 2 times of 36, and therefore BC is equal to root of 36 into 2, that is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Therefore BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. What is the measure of angle ABC? Okay, and why? In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, this AB is equal to AC is equal to 1 by root 2 times of 6 root 2. Okay, this 6 can be written as under like this here, and this is nothing but here 1 by root 2 times BC, that is hypotenuse, means AB is equal to AC is equal to this much, and therefore this triangle must be of 45 90 degree, and therefore triangle ABC is of 45 degree 90 degree, and thus therefore angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Question number 2. In adjoining figure, O be the center of the circle. From point R, this point R, RM and RN are the tangent segment. These are the tangent segment. touching to the circle at point M and N, M and N. If OR is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter is given, and radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. आता रेडियस दिलेला आहे, त्याच्यामुळे आपण O आणि N जोडून घेऊ. सो ड्रॉ हियर, आणि O आणि M पण मी इथे जोडतो. सो दिस इज द रेडियस. ओके, व्हॉट इज द लेंथ ऑफ ईच टँजेंट सेगमेंट. आता ही टँजेंट सेगमेंटची लेंथ तुम्हाला काढायची आहे प्रत्येकाची. दुसरा, व्हॉट इज द मेजर ऑफ अँगल MRO. MRO हाचा मेजर काढायचा आहे. त्याच पद्धतीने व्हॉट इज द मेजर ऑफ MRN, आणि हा कंप्लीट पण काढायचा आहे. ठीक आहे. सोल्युशन. O be the center of circle. Okay, segment RM and segment RN are the tangent segments. Okay, join segment OM and segment ON. Therefore OM is equal to ON is equal to radius of circle, which is equal to 5 centimeter. हा गिवन आहे आपल्याला. RM and RN are tangent segment at point M and N. Therefore angle OMR, which is equal to angle ONR, which is equal to 90 degree. In triangle OMR कुठलाही घ्या, दोन्ही सारखेच आहेत. angle M is equal to 90 झाला. You can apply the Pythagoras. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is OR, and therefore OR square is equal to OM square plus RM square. कुठलाही घ्या, RM square. 10 square आणि हे is equal to 5 square plus RM square. So here 100 is equal to 25 plus RM square. Therefore RM square is equal to 75. RM is equal to root 75, and this is 5 root 3. Okay, so RM is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter, and therefore RN, which is equal to RM, which is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. हे दोन्ही सारख्याच मापाचे असते. The length of tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Now OM is equal to 5, OR is equal to 10. Therefore OM is equal to half of OR. Therefore side opposite to angle MRO is half of hypotenuse. Therefore by theorem angle OMRO is equal to what? 30 degree is equal to 30 degree, half of this here. Okay, so here, and thus here also similarly angle NRO is also equal to 30. Third, now angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO, angle addition, and this is a 30 degree plus 30 degree which is equal to 60 degree. So question number third, segment RM and segment RN are a tangent segment of a circle. P center O. Prove that segment OR bisect angle MRN as well as angle MON. दोन्ही अँगल तुम्हाला, म्हणजे हे तुम्हाला सारखे दाखवायचे बायसेक्ट आणि हे तुम्हाला बायसेक्ट दाखवायचे. सोल्युशन, segment RM and segment RN are tangent. जो वाक्यावर दिला तोच आपण घेऊ. tangent segments of a circle with center O. O is the center दिलेला आहे. By theorem angle OMR is equal to angle ONR which is equal to 90 degree. Also segment RM congruent to segment RN. Tangent theorem. Now in triangle OMR and triangle ONR, entangle this. Segment RM congruent to segment RN. Angle OMR is equal to angle ONR which is equal to 90. Segment OR congruent to segment OR, common, that is hypotenuse OR congruent to hypotenuse OR. Therefore triangle OMR congruent to triangle ONR. दोन्ही triangle congruent होते. This and this here. OMR and ONR are congruent here. By which test here? Hypocyte test. Hypocyte theorem. MRO and CACT. Therefore segment OR is bisector angle MRN. Also angle MOR congruent to angle NOR. कशामुळे हे दोन्ही सेम होतील, because these two triangles are congruent, corresponding angle of congruent triangle, and therefore segment, आता हे दोन्ही congruent झाले म्हणजे हा बायसेक्टर झाला. segment OR is bisector of angle MON, म्हणजे या MON अँगलला हा बायसेक्टर OR होईल. त्याचप्रमाणे अँगल MRN या अँगलला हा बायसेक्टर OR. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 जो दिलेला आहे, what is the distance between the two parallel tangent in a circle having radius 4.5 here. तर this problem can be solved by using, ॲक्च्युली तुम्हाला सॉल्व प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला आहे. सॉल्व प्रॉब्लेम एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2 प्रिव्हियस पिरियडवर दिला आहे. त्यामध्ये कॉमन जे हे दोन टेंजंट असेल, दे आर परपेंडिक्युलर हियर अँड दिस, तेव्हा हे म्युच्युअली परपेंडिकुलर हिअर and therefore these tangents are parallel here. असा एक एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला सॉल्व दिलेला आहे एक्झरसाइजमध्ये. यू कॅन रेफर दॅट हिअर. आणि हिअर दिस मच डिस्टन्स इज रेडियस 4.5, दिस मच डिस्टन्स हिअर 4.5. these 3 points, suppose A point and B, these are collinear point, and therefore the distance between two parallel lines is nothing but a diameter here, 2 into 4.5, that is equal to 9.0, means 9 centimeter. आता उत्तर निघेल. यू कॅन रेफर अँड सॉल्व इट.